Hello and welcome to this new tutorial on Presets Market channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install presets into Lightroom Mobile for iPhone. Currently, Adobe doesn't have a way for us to automatically install mobile presets. Not to worry, the process is simple. Step 1 is to download the preset, which will come in a zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded into your phone, open the Lightroom mobile app. In your library, click on the plus icon to create a new folder and name the folder Presets. Now open the folder and press on the button to create an album. I prefer naming the album with the same name as the preset, which is dark. This is what we're going to put the extracted DNG file into. Now open the album and press the Add button in the bottom right-hand corner and choose to add photos from files. Now navigate to the folder on your phone where the zip file is downloaded. And navigate to the mobile preset and select the preset to import. Now to create our presets from the imported DNG file, press the three buttons from the top right-hand corner and choose to create preset. Name your preset Dark Preset. And under Preset Group, we need also to create a new preset group for this preset. We're going to save the preset. There are a few settings we don't want to include in our preset. Press on the Light tab and uncheck the exposure. Go back and select Color tab and uncheck the white balance. To finish creating the preset, press on the tick icon in the top right and the preset will be created and you can start right away using it. In case the downloaded pack is paid and contains many presets, we have to do the same thing with all of them and add them to the same preset group we created. For now, we do have only one preset. Once we've done with that, we want to go back to our albums, open up an image. And select presets from the toolbar and you'll see the preset that we created using the DNG and now are available in their own folder. Simply press on the preset to apply it on your image.